This is Green Moong Dal, a hearty rustic dish that comes together with the simplest pantry staples, yet tastes absolutely wonderful. Welcome to Not Your Usual Dal, Episode 3, a series where we share some of our favorite alternatives to the everyday bowl of dal. To make this Green Moong Dal, we'll first need some whole green moong that's been soaked overnight. Drain the soaking water and cook the moong until soft. I'm pressure cooking mine with a blob of ghee and a bay leaf. While that's cooking, let's prep a few things. We'll need about an inch of ginger, 1 or 2 green chillies depending on your spice tolerance, and some coriander stalks. Crush everything together. You don't need a fine paste. A coarse texture is perfect here. You'll also need a tomato, finely chopped. Now let's check on the dal. We want it nice and soft, almost mushy. In a karai, heat a little oil. Any neutral flavored oil will do. I'm using groundnut oil. Add the crushed ginger chili mixture and saute for a minute or two. Then add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften. Now add the cooked moong dal and give everything a good mix. Next goes a sprinkle of turmeric powder and some salt. If it feels a little thick, add a splash of water. Cover and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so all the flavors can come together. At this point, you can add a pinch of jaggery or sugar if you like. Follow that with a sprinkle of garam masala. And finally a spoonful of crushed kasuri methi, and turn off the heat. And now for my favorite part, the tadka. In a spoonful of ghee, add about 4 to 5 sliced garlic cloves, some cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Let the garlic turn lightly golden and fragrant. Then switch off the heat and pour it straight over the dal. The sizzle is worth the wait. Finish with some chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. A warm, comforting bowl of green moong dal that's just as good on its own as it is with some rice and a simple salad on the side. If you give it a try, we'd love to hear what you think. And if you're enjoying the series, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, take care and ta-ta.